The future may not belong to AI alone, and it may not belong to humans resisting AI either. The future may belong to people who learn how to combine both. Most people see this as a conflict: human versus machine, automation versus creativity, technology versus identity. But that framing may be incomplete. The real advantage may be human amplification. AI increases capability, humanity provides direction. Together, they may create entirely new forms of leverage. AI without humanity can feel empty. AI can optimize, generate, automate, scale, but optimization alone does not automatically create meaning, trust, wisdom, emotional connection, purpose. Those qualities remain deeply human. Humans without leverage may struggle. At the same time, rejecting technology completely may become increasingly difficult economically. AI dramatically expands capability. Ignoring that leverage may create disadvantages over time. The strongest position is integration, not surrendering humanity to machines, and not rejecting technological progress entirely, but integrating both intentionally. The future may reward hybrid thinkers, people who combine technical leverage with emotional intelligence, systems thinking, creativity, leadership, and trust. That combination becomes powerful. AI becomes a force multiplier. AI expands speed, scale, analysis, execution, and production. But humans still shape direction, values, meaning, prioritization, interpretation. The future advantage is coordination. The next generation of valuable people may function more like orchestrators, coordinating AI systems, workflows, communication, audiences, strategy, and creativity. Human judgment remains central. Emotional intelligence becomes leverage. As automation expands, emotional capability becomes increasingly differentiating because people still respond to empathy, clarity, confidence, trust, leadership, and connection. Technology does not eliminate human psychology. Creativity evolves upward. The role of the creator shifts from pure manual execution toward vision, direction, synthesis, storytelling, and refinement. The human role becomes more strategic. This is a civilizational transition. AI is not just another software upgrade. It changes work, education, communication, economics, creativity, and identity. Society itself is reorganizing around intelligent systems. The question becomes, what qualities remain uniquely human, and how do we amplify them? The future may reward conscious operators, people who use technology intentionally instead of passively, people who think critically, adapt continuously, build systems, maintain humanity, create meaning. That mindset compounds. The human advantage doesn't disappear, it evolves, and in some ways, it may become more important than ever. Learn the tools, understand AI, experiment with it, build with it, and leverage it. The people ignoring these systems completely may struggle, but also develop the human layers: communication, leadership, taste, judgment, adaptability, emotional intelligence, and authenticity. Those capabilities may become increasingly valuable. The future may belong to human plus, not purely artificial, not purely traditional, but amplified humans operating at higher levels with intelligent systems. The goal was never to become a machine. The goal is becoming more capable without losing what makes humans valuable in the first place. The most valuable people will combine AI with humanity. The future may belong to people who use AI to expand human potential, not replace it. That is the real human advantage. I hope you're enjoying the videos. If so, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can be informed when the next video drops. Thanks for watching.